Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to add liked songs to a playlist on Spotify on your computer. So the first thing we need to do is we need to go to ifttt.com. Now log into this basically platform. This platform will allow us to add liked songs to a playlist on Spotify. Now once you log into this platform, go to ifttt.com/explore and then click here create. Now, after you click create, what we can do here is we can basically go and obviously we'll have to connect our Spotify, but we'll basically create an automation. So if we have new saved track, then you add that track to playlist. So if this, let's go add and let's go search for Spotify. So if Spotify has a new saved track right here, and obviously once you click on this, you will need to connect to your Spotify. So make sure you connect to it. Then, as you can see, we again search for Spotify, then add track to a playlist. So click here and basically we can put a playlist name, which is liked playlist. And then we can create action, right? Now we'll have one action out of 5 actions, which is, they call it applets. And you have basically 5 automations that you can do. And you can do a lot of different automations. So that's basically, how to add liked songs to playlists on Spotify. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.